Hi everyone, welcome to Legal Health. Legal Health provide legal awareness program to the people as well as lawyer those are interested to know provisions regarding particular topic. So today we will discuss about direction for grant a bail to a person pending to arrest. We will compare with new act as well as old act. The Bharatiya Nagarika Suraksha Samhita 2023 is going to apply from the 26th of January 2024. Now it is very essential to discuss on it. So first of all, we will know what is the new provision under section 482. It says that grant for bail to a person apprehending to arrest. This means anticipatory bail. As per the code of criminal procedure, the section is 438. So we will discuss first the Bharatiya Nagarika Suraksha Samhita. We know the section 482. We will have to learn from the 26th of January and apply on it. So it has four subsections. Subsection 1 says grant of bail. When a person is offending to arrest in a particular non-bailable offence, he can apply for anticipatory bail before the Honorable Session Court as well as High Court, so that the court may direct to the police station not to arrest. Subsection 2 says that certain condition has to be imposed. What are those conditions? We will be quickly discuss on it. First condition, you will have to be remain present as and when required by the police. Second condition, you cannot make any threat, inducement, promise to any person related to this case. Third condition is you cannot leave India without previous permission of the court. Any condition may imposed on you. These are the conditions which generally imposed by the court while granting of anticipatory bail. Subsection 3 of section 482 says that if officer in charge of the police station is arrested, the person has to be released on bail if the arrest memo has been prepared by the police officer. On the other hand, if magistrate find that the person has to be issued the warrant, magistrate has to be issued only bailable warrant, so that the accused will get bail from the magistrate itself. Subsection 4 of section 482 says that if the offence has registered under section 65 subsection 2 or section 70 of Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita, then this anticipatory bail supposed not to be granted to the accused. Thus, judges will get to know that this provision is not applicable for anticipatory bail. What is the section 65 subsection 2? Section 65 is the section 376 of Code of Criminal Procedure, that is rape. Rape, previously punishment was imprisonment for life or 10 years imprisonment with fine, whereas Samhita is defined that minimum period is 20 years imprisonment and maximum is lifetime. Hence, we will be able to know we supposed not to be filed anticipatory bail application before the Court of Session or Honorable High Court. On the other hand, what is section 70? 70 is gang rape. So in that case also anticipatory bail will not get entertained. Hence, we supposed not to be filed anticipatory bail. And this anticipatory bail advantages supposed to be taken by the public when the person is apprehending to arrest in certain offence. On the other hand, Supreme Court defined that even if offence has not registered, FIR has not been registered, you can apply anticipatory bail to protect yourself for 72 hours. It means Honorable Session Court will grant anticipatory bail. It means protection after registering the FIR till 72 hours of the information to the accused under section 41A of the CRPC, notice has to be issued. Thereafter, for 72 hours, police cannot arrest to any person if you will be obtain the protection from the court or honorable court, high court under this provision. So you people has to be take advantages of it. Anticipatory bail is always a weapon for you. You have to be utilized. Thank you very much.